Welcome to the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Christy.
I'm Joel, holding the camera.
We are going to show you our super quick restock haul, and we call it a restock grocery haul because last week we bought 2 weeks worth of groceries, and this is just some things that we got to finish off what we have already gotten. Okay, all right, so first, if you checked out my health goals video, you know that I am on the AIP autoimmune protocol, and so most of my stuff is produce. So I've got 2 sweet potatoes that I can use to make roasted sweet potatoes. Got some Brussels sprouts, carrots, 2 avocados, zucchinis, 2 bunches of kale because I love my kale salad. I'm actually going to be trying a new recipe out of the autoimmune protocol cookbook that I have, and it's like chicken patties, except I'm going to do it with turkey. But anyway, you use little diced up pieces of a Granny Smith apple, so I got 1 apple for that. Joel needed some eggs and bacon. Our son needed naan bread. And I'm going to eat bananas this week, like I do every week. Joel got Cheetos, and he got them 2 for $4. Yep. And Joel really likes to have mashed potatoes with baked chicken, which he will have later in the week probably. And he really loves these, so we don't have to like cut up the potatoes. Anyway. And the last thing, I got some extra virgin olive oil for my kale salads. This is really what I prefer to massage kale with. And that is all for this week. Our total at HEB was $45.67. Not too bad for 1 week. Hope you enjoyed this week's grocery haul and meal plan. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for future content. And be sure to check out one of the videos that's probably scrolling on the screen right now. And until next week, this is Christy with the Long Run with Joel and Christy. Bye.